Hi. So yeah, today it's been a year that my brother committed suicide, and today we gathered with the family to have dinner and talk, and yeah, just sharing memories. And it was interesting to see how everyone is in a different stage of grieving, and that's okay. It was interesting to see. Another part that I felt today was really feeling lost a little bit, like this, what is it actually that I'm still here to do? Is my big question at the moment, like, or my question for 2019. And yeah, like, what life am I going to create? And yeah, it will be one that I love and what I like to do. And but then it's like, what is it that I want or love or like to do? And that's what I'm discovering each day. I know that I love self-discovery, and that will be my profession someday, like that I can teach people, inspire people, and just like being the example of that everything is possible if you face yourself and heal yourself. And yeah, we can do so much more than we think. And that will be my big why. Just give that awareness to people, or show them to their own awareness. They all have what they need inside. But first, taking care of myself, because that always is my trap, to like give um, much to others and then forget myself. But now the lesson is actually to heal myself first. And that's what I'm doing now, and I'm learning also a lot about that. And yeah, I'm grateful that I have developed over the years by doing this inner work, all the awareness that I have and all the tools for going through this divorce, and all the pain, struggles, and just also the new discovering, and the opportunity to create a new life for myself. And then why can't I create a life that I really love and dream about? So that's my intention now in 2019, discovering my true self, or just undoing the layers that doesn't fit with me anymore. So, and that only can be done by discovering them and just feeling like, is this me? Nope. Next. And so on. So yeah, that's me today. So feeling sad and lost, but also at peace, like with my brother. And I know he's at a better place now, and we love him, miss him here. But I believe he's with us all the time. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.